So, you need to make a quick cutscene in your game. Not a problem. Let's say as soon as the player triggers some kind of event, there's something important you want them to see. Well, to start, go up here and add a level sequencer. Then put it wherever you like. Now, if your options look funny, you can go to Window, Load Layout, and Default Editor. Cool. Now under Add, All Classes, add a Cine Camera Actor. Then drag the camera into the blank space down here, and now you have evolved into a camera. Now that you are one with the camera, move it in position wherever you want your cutscene to start. Then add a keyframe on your timeline. Now go to the end of your timeline and move the camera to its final position and key transform again. Save, then right click on the camera so we can stop piloting it and become human again. Now if you want the cutscene to play as soon as you enter the level, just set the sequence to autoplay. And when the game runs, the cutscene will happen. But you probably want something to trigger the cutscene. So to control that, we go up here, we open the level blueprint. Now click on your sequence, then in the level blueprint, right click and create a reference to that sequence, then drag out a sequence play. Now I'm just going to trigger my cutscene with the E key. When it plays, we cast to our third person character, get the player character, disable the input. This just makes sure that we can't move our character during the cutscene. Then to give the player control when the cutscene is over, then drag out a delay node. Then from the sequencer, get the duration of the scene, then drag that into the delay. And after that, enable the input, you're done. If we play the game now, wander around and press the E key, the cutscene will happen, our player is disabled, the camera does its thing, and when it's over, we get control again and continue playing. Hope that helps, and as always, hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you around.